My refrigerator's broken. I have watery ice.
When your refrigerator is broken and your food is going bad, you need expert local same-day service fast. In Rancho Cucamonga, call American Appliance Repair at 909-689-6149. Since 1975, American's expert appliance technicians have been providing quality local service on Sub-Zero Viking, Wolf KitchenAid, Jenn Air Maytag, Whirlpool Kenmore, GE Hotpoint, Frigidaire Amana, Scotsman U-lLine, Roper Tappan, and most other brands and appliances. American Appliance techs carry factory parts to get your refrigerator repaired fast in the same day. Plus, it's a free service call if we do the repair. Call American Appliance Repair at 909-689-6149 to schedule an appliance technician to come out and repair your refrigerator. Serving the local area for over 30 years. In Rancho Cucamonga, call American Appliance Repair at 909-689-6149 for emergency refrigerator service.